Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are in Montreal in Canada and we are now in the heart of Chinatown. So we're hungry, we're going to grab a bite to eat. We are just outside this restaurant here, which is Restaurant Jade, and it offers a buffet style dining option, or they have a takeout. We're just going to do a takeout and we'll show you what they have to offer and what we've decided to go with.
Okay, so time for some delicious food. So I think we're going to try the fried flat noodle with green and black bean sauce beef, and we're going to try fried rice with that seafood. Let's see how that turns out.
So we're now in the heart of Chinatown in Montreal. We are stopping by this Asian Chinese restaurant. It offers a buffet style inside, but then you have a takeout option. They have a hot plate, which offers a variety of stir fries, rices. They also have a selection of dim sum options. So we went with two of their combos, which wasn't bad. It was around $7.50 after taxes. We have a noodle option, which is a black bean sauce with flat rice noodle with some beef, and then we also have a rice with some shrimp. So let's open up and see what our dishes look like. Wow, it's nice and hot and fresh. For the $7.50, you can't go wrong. You'd go to a restaurant, you would probably pay double the price. The noodles are nice and soft, freshly made. This restaurant was quite busy as we were waiting, so the food is always fresh. You're getting a nice meal, reasonable price, and very delicious. I highly recommend this choice.
So the second dish that we got is a fried rice, shrimp fried rice. So let's have a look at this. So it's fresh, just made. So it's pretty much simple. It's a simple dish. Rice with noodles and shrimp. Let's have a taste. It's good, crispy. The shrimp is tender, not overcooked so that it's chewy or anything like that. Only thing that would make this a little better is if they added a bit of onions or if they added some vegetables. But overall, it's okay for a light snack. So if you're ever in Montreal, drop by the Chinatown. There's plenty of great restaurants that will offer either fine dining or quick takeout foods, and I would highly recommend it. bunch of different types of restaurants here. So far, what do we got? One egg tart? Not bad. Husker? Oh, it's a finch. Hey, there's dumplings. We are in the hunt for souvenirs. And there's the dumplings here. We could probably eat something at the dumpling. Bubble tea. Another souvenir place here.
Our tour of the Chinatown in Montreal, and if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more videos on Montreal as well, subscribe, hit that bell notification for our newest videos. Until next time.